If you've ever tried making a smoothie in the morning and ended up with chunks of ice, unevenly blended frozen fruit, or a mess that takes longer to clean than it does to drink, you know how frustrating a simple breakfast can be. It's supposed to be quick, healthy, and satisfying, but too often it's just chaos in a cup. That's exactly the gap the Ninja Kitchen system is designed to fill. This all-in-one machine is built for anyone who wants one appliance that can handle smoothies, frozen drinks, chopping vegetables, and even dough, all without cluttering the counter with half a dozen gadgets. It's especially aimed at busy households, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who wants high-performance blending without a steep learning curve. The design immediately gives off a sense of durability and practicality. The base is solid, heavy enough to stay put during use, but not so bulky that it dominates your counter. The dark gray finish is sleek and neutral, which fits most kitchen aesthetics. Once you start looking at the attachments, the 72-ounce pitcher, the 8-cup food processor bowl, and the single-serve cups, they all feel sturdy and well-constructed. The plastic is BPA-free and thick enough to feel like it will hold up to regular use. Even the lids snap on securely, which avoids accidental spills when you're in a hurry. The stacked blade assembly is where the Ninja really sets itself apart. The blades are sharp, strategically angled, and designed to crush ice down to snow-like consistency for smoothies or frozen drinks. The food processor attachments, especially the dough blade, turn out to be surprisingly effective for things like kneading pizza dough or chopping vegetables evenly. The design clearly prioritizes versatility, which means one appliance can do the job of several, saving both space and hassle. In real-life use, it's impressive how little thought you need to put into recipes. The 5 preset programs, smoothie, frozen, extract, chop, and dough, take the guesswork out of speed and timing, which is great if you're not a kitchen gadget expert or just want a reliable result fast. At the same time, the manual speed controls give you full flexibility when you want more precision. Ice crushes in seconds, frozen fruit blends smoothly, and even tougher ingredients like carrots or nuts get processed efficiently without jamming. Noise is what you'd expect from a 1,200-watt blender. It's loud, but not obnoxiously so, and it finishes quickly enough that it doesn't disrupt your morning routine. Cleaning is straightforward, too, which is often the real barrier to using a multifunction kitchen appliance consistently. All containers, lids, and blades are dishwasher-safe, top-rack, and BPA-free. Even the stacked blades, which can look intimidating at first, are simple to rinse under the tap. That low-maintenance design encourages more frequent use without adding extra work, which is exactly what you want from a daily use appliance. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. The Ninja Kitchen system is a larger footprint appliance, so if you have extremely limited counter space, you'll need to plan storage carefully. The noise level, while brief, can still be noticeable in open-plan homes. And although it handles most tasks beautifully, it's not quite the same as a commercial dough mixer or ultra-specialized ice crusher. If you're a culinary perfectionist, some very specific recipes might require extra attention. Compared to other blenders and food processors in this price range, the Ninja stands out for combining multiple functions in one system without compromising performance. Cheaper blenders often struggle with frozen ingredients or larger batches, while separate food processors or dough mixers take up more counter space. The Ninja hits a sweet spot for households that want high versatility, powerful performance, and ease of use, all in one unit. So, who is this perfect for? If you want a single appliance that can handle everything from smoothies to frozen cocktails, chop vegetables for meal prep, or even knead dough for pizza, this is a solid choice. It's especially ideal for busy parents, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys healthy drinks and quick meal prep. On the other hand, if your kitchen is extremely small or you only occasionally make smoothies, a smaller, single-function blender might be enough. At the end of the day, the Ninja Kitchen system isn't about fancy extras. It's about consistent, reliable performance across multiple tasks. It simplifies your kitchen routine, saves space, and handles tough blending jobs that other machines struggle with. If you're ready to upgrade your smoothie game, streamline your meal prep, or just make blending and chopping less of a hassle, Check out the Ninja Kitchen system through the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. More practical, real-world kitchen reviews are on the way.